Hello, my fellow pupils. My name is Gian William. My school is called Atlas Madale, and I am in a school academy called Dagout.
Gian, how do you feel to be a player of the match today?
I feel good. I feel good for my players. We practice hard, and we achieved 2 goals.
Gian, there's a team and there's a league in Tanzania. We want to know which team do you like and which player do you like?
My favorite team in Tanzania is Yanga, and my favorite player is Pacome.
What do you like from Pacome?
I like how he plays, how he talks to the lads, and just like everything about Pacome.
And who do you like to thank?
I thank all of my players, my coach, the people who gave me support, and everybody, my parents.
Thank you, Gian.
You're welcome.